Imagine the electric atmosphere of a packed stadium, the roaring cheers, the thrill of competition. But hold on tight, because we're not talking about sports today. We're discussing mastering a language, a Spanish immersion journey that's just as intense and exhilarating. Let me introduce you to Spanish Black Belt, the Spanish language school where you can achieve Spanish language mastery through teamwork as you assemble your very own private Spanish group class. Similar to the most celebrated sports teams that have graced fields across the world, you can now achieve extraordinary feats in the realm of language learning by joining forces with friends, family, and colleagues, all of you uniting online with one goal: becoming Spanish language black belts, bonding with your friends, strengthening family ties, or even forging unbreakable workplace relationships. You'll gather your squad despite any physical distances and embark on this thrilling linguistic journey together. You and your dream team, just like world-class athletes, will strategize your approach to victory. You'll decide how often you meet, tailoring each Spanish session to your collective needs, whether practicing to improve with previously covered content or diving into exciting new topics. It's not just about learning, it's about winning together. And oh, the thrill of leadership. Just as Lionel Messi or any of the great team captains of all time rallies their players to victory, you'll discover your own leadership talents within your private Spanish class. You'll guide discussions, inspire your teammates, and share your hard-earned knowledge. As a sports team celebrates every goal scored, you'll celebrate every language milestone reached. From mastering tricky grammar concepts to confidently holding conversations that evolve as you progress through the different levels. Your achievements are your team's shared success. But remember, the celebration of victory is sweeter when it comes after surpassing unforeseen challenges. Yes, learning a new language may not always be easy, but here's the thing: it's not about the obstacles, it's about your sheer perseverance. It's about pushing through and proving that absolutely nothing can hold back a team that's hungry for victory. And guess what? Behind every triumphant team stands a coach, experienced, passionate, and ready to guide you to glory. Spanish Black Belt's native Spanish instructors are your mentors, ensuring that every member of your group reaches their full potential by providing guidance and feedback when needed. With a pace tailored to your team's rhythm, this journey is as unique as your squad. Are you ready to don that jersey of linguistic triumph, ready to march forward with your chosen comrades, prepared to take on challenges and emerge victorious? Form your team, submit an application for private group classes at SpanishBlackbelt.com, and march towards Spanish mastery. Don't have anyone to form your own group? Don't sweat it. Spanish Black Belt has an option for you too. Watch their video about the small groups that the school forms to learn more. Until we meet again, adios amigos, and may your victory roar louder than the cheers of 1,000 stadiums.